Hello everyone, my name is Stolf and I will be guiding you through today's lesson. In this lesson, we will be exploring activities for the Grove buzzer. The piezo, also known as the buzzer, is a component that is used for generating sound. It is a digital component that can be connected to digital outputs. This emits a tone when the output is high. Alternatively, it can be connected to an analog pulse with modulation output. This is to generate various tones and effects. The Grove buzzer operates at both 3.3 volts and 5 volts with a sound output of 85 decibels. This module can be used to provide sound feedback to your application, just like pressing the buzzer on a game show. Our setup will be connecting the Grove buzzer using the Grove cable to the digital pin marked D5. This label is found on the Grove breakout board. Note that if you haven't taken out the module from the breakout board, there is no need to connect them using the Grove cables because these modules are already connected to the Grove base shield. In this video, I am only demonstrating how to connect the modules assuming that you've detached them from the breakout board. Once you've plugged in the Grove buzzer to your Grove base shield, attach the shield to your Arduino Uno and connect it to your computer. For our first activity, we will be emitting a tone from our buzzer.
The first thing we will be doing with the buzzer is, of course, making it sound. So in our code, we define the buzzer and its pin and identify whether it is an output or an input in the setup. And on our main code, it will mostly consist of tone, no tone, and delay. So tone here sets the frequency of the buzzer. So in this code, we set the frequency to 1000. And no tone will stop the sound of the buzzer. So now we upload the code to our Arduino. Now let's hear the output.
For our second activity, we will be integrating an LED to the buzzer. The LED here will emit a light when the buzzer makes a sound. The setup for this project will be the buzzer connected to the D5 on our Arduino shield and our LED connected to the D6 pin. Let us now proceed to the code.
So what we do on our code here is we first define the LED and its pin, add it on our setup, so pin mode LED output because the LED and the buzzer here serves as an output. Then on our main code, we just add digital write. Digital write LED high to turn on the LED and digital write LED low to turn off the LED rather. Now save this as a new file and upload it on your Arduino. We can see and hear the output.
For our third project, we will be integrating the buzzer with the button and the LED. Once you press the button, the LED will light up and the buzzer will emit a tone. For our setup, the buzzer will be connected to the D5 pin on our Arduino shield, the LED to the D6 pin, and the button to the D4 pin. Once all of these are connected, upload the code to your Arduino.
So what we do here is we define the button and introduce the button state variable, similar to the one we did in the button activity. Then put it on the setup pin mode button input, and we will be adding serial.begin because we will be using the serial monitor to show whether the button is pressed or not. So what we did here is we add digital read button assigned on the variable button state. In our main code, we will be adding a conditional statement if. And whenever the button state is high, the tone and the LED will be activated. However, if the button state is low, then the LED will be low and the buzzer will switch off. We save this as a new file, upload the code on our Arduino, and you now have a button that activates a buzzer and a LED.
Now that is it for this lesson. To learn more about the other modules, simply head on to the next video.